Hi, my name is Greg Holman, and this is my System of Law presentation. So, throughout this semester, we were working on creating a final essay, and one of the core reasons as to why I registered for this class was to actually be able to break down what different types of systems of laws have been created throughout different types of societies. I was also aware that the government that I was raised to know, the United States Armed Forces, were conducting unlawful acts within our system of law. I understand that the United States government was in a system that was able to carry a secret all throughout different judicial levels, and at the same time there were no system of laws to be checked in front of the U.S. Congress. The United States Supreme Court case that I chose was Boumediene versus Bush. And after the 9/11 attacks, the United States Armed Forces decided to juggle prisoners of war and detain them without any form of habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is the right to see a judge or a jury and have a lawyer present with you at the time of indictment. Every United States citizen is guaranteed the right to see an attorney, to a speedy trial, to be able to go through the judicial process without jeopardizing themselves. And in this time of war, under the Bush administration, they were taking prisoners that were captured and bringing them to Guantanamo Bay. Guantanamo Bay is a United States military facility that is leased out on Cuban soil. The reason why these prisoners that were just kind of in judicial limbo throughout our judicial system was because they didn't know what jurisdiction to try them under. Once the armed forces and their secret tribunal courts were taking on these cases of these prisoners of war, they were bouncing them back to the counterintelligence agency of the United States, the CIA. This mass raid of prisoners of war was being conducted throughout the 2003, 2004 area. After the war started in about, I'd say, October, November of 2001, the military was going about their protocol as they go. The CIA was not equipped by any stretch of the imagination to facilitate any type of prisoner, nor were they in any type of way licensed or trained to conduct interrogations to any of these prisoners. And in our final film review, I talked about the movie The Report. And in The Report, Adam Driver's the main character playing this the Senate investigator that was put in charge of overseeing what the CIA did during this period of time. So, on my one hand was the final essay, which was Boumediene versus Bush, and they were fighting almost for the same cause, just at a different period in time, right? As all of these judicial cases with the prisoner's name on them were going through the system, the Senate was trying to pretend nothing was wrong. The Bush administration was still in power, and the Bush administration was committing war crimes on American soil. And this is a pure gap in our in our system and throughout how basically a government can withdraw all types of ethical standards within their system of law to favor themselves. The actual